Hey everybody, I'm MatthewMan and we've just been doing Bonfire Night 2023. I'm with my brother as usual, and I'm about two as usual. Pink hair now, he's always dyeing his hair. But yeah, the fireworks display just finished. This video is filmed after the short fireworks display. There's a red drone there. And yeah, now just walking around waiting for other displays to start.
Is he? He was still at the car. He was still at the car. What? No, he went. He's not. He was there. He was still at the car. Was he? He's going back there. How's he walking there anymore? I don't know. I'm just following you two.
Yeah, I was following you as well.
Yeah.
All the way up at the top. He never moved. Russell never moved. Yeah, we're also banging panel to his granddad.
Oh, yeah, light bulb, wouldn't it?
God, it's so smoky and foggy. This day must be so bad for the environment. There you go, Josh. You dropped your glove. Josh, you dropped your glove.
Where's my other?
In your pocket, probably?
No, it's not. No.
Maybe it's in the car. We're just going to look for another today. And just looking around for Josh's other glove. And yeah, not much has gone on in the 6 months since I last uploaded. It's just been living. So foggy and dark, can't look for any gloves. Okay, I'm looking for one right now. Okay, this is just like a life update. There's much update, I'm just telling you. I'm not gone. See ya and subscribe.